Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. A policeman is dead, but not before killing his alleged attacker in Manchester last night. He's the second policeman to be killed violently in weeks. Shamila Pullen has more.
Sadness and grief hung over the community of Balm Hill, Migetown, Manchester, where a policeman who was shot and killed last night lived. He has been identified as 53-year-old District Constable Dwight Gregory. According to reports, at about 10 o'clock Friday night, Constable Gregory was leaving the No Limits bar in Abbey Gardens off the Hatfield Main Road in the parish when he was pounced upon by a gunman. A tussle ensued and people reported hearing a number of gunshots. The bodies of the police constable and his alleged attacker were found with bullet wounds on an embankment. The police say 2 firearms were seized. 8 9mm cartridges were taken from the pocket of the gunman. 6 spent casings and 1 cartridge were also seized. Meanwhile, Council Caretaker Keisha Phillips for the Spurtree Division has condemned the attack.
Violence has gone to a different level in our country. You cannot, as a citizen, sit somewhere and have a drink without criminals coming in and wanting what they think is theirs. And if they were taking and leaving, it would be okay. It would not be so bad, but they have to take lives with them. We have lost it as a country.
Ms. Phillips reiterated calls for more to be done to stem crime.
Mr. Prime Minister, I'm asking the question, what is your solution to crime? What do we do? What is it that you have planned for us? Because we cannot, as a country, continue on this level with criminality. It's too much, and it's too much. The other day we campaigned against gender-based violence, Thursday in Black. It's the same. We go beyond. As a movement, we go beyond just gender-based violence. We are saying stop all violence in general.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.